Hey guys, this is Eric. Hey, the kids was out here today picking potatoes. Show you what we got done so far. We got about a half a tote right here full of them. The weeds have got in here pretty good. You can see the potatoes are dying off. We got 5 rows here to pick.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, that nice one.
Let's see it. Sorry if I turned it.
Look at that one I found.
They've been doing pretty good. Well, I want to go ahead and get these picked. Have them go ahead and get these picked before all these weeds here that was in the row turn into seed. We got 2 rows pretty much done right through here. Oh, this one's still got to be finished. You still got plants right here, buddy.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, no.
See what you get when you pull that out. And I've noticed that most of the potatoes are just right at the top of the surface.
One and pull them together. Okay.
Whoa. Got a
Couple little ones.
couple little ones. Is that it? All of that whole plant?
I need to dig for them a bit. Oh, nope. A nice one right here.
Yeah, there you go.
Another one.
There's pretty nice potatoes there. We'll come through here after we pick them by hand and use the tractor with the middle buster and dig them all up, any that we might have missed. That middle buster, it kind of scrapes them and stuff, and we're wanting to store these, so we're trying to be gentle with them. Yeah, another big tomato plant right here beside it. But see, you got these big weeds that grew up right in between the rows. We kept the main between the rows clear with the tractor.
That
See what you get.
A nice one. Oh, nice
I see one that's popping out of the ground too.
right here. Oh, you can dig a little bit deeper. You'll start finding.
Here, do this one right here. That's.
Nope.
There you go. There's a nice one. They might have grown and got a little bit bigger, but I'm surprised we're getting this good a yield so far off of them because we've been so dry. When they started flowering and started producing, we didn't get hardly no rain.
That one's kind of still green.
Yeah, we might be able to use that one for a seed potato.
Yeah. Oh. Right here.
We get, oh,
That one.
a nice one. These are all Kennebec potatoes. Is there any more in there?
Right here. Trying to look for
You got Libby, she's over there. The other boy, he's right over there starting on another row. See what you get.
if I dig it up. Nothing so far. Oh. This one right here. Nice one.
Look at these.
You get some nice ones over there?
Yeah.
Cool, bud. So we still got a bunch of rows left here. Like, get this one done, we'll have 3.
I'll grab that one.
There you go.
Grabbed a couple of them.
There's some right there. Let's go over here and see how Libby's doing with her row. You getting any? Oh, you got a nice pile over here started, didn't you? Let's see what you got. You need to pull them out. You're pulling the weeds and all as you go, huh? See what you get when you pull this one out. They might have grew a little bit more. That one's kind of green there. We'll save it for a seed potato. Ooh, there's some nice ones there.
Yeah.
We definitely have already got our 50 pounds that we planted out. We picked a huge bag of Walmart sack full of them last night for supper, and it was good. It's been mixed. Some of these has had nice big potatoes, and some of them's had just small potatoes. Some's hardly had none. Some's had a bunch. See, that one had quite a few. See, these potatoes ain't that deep into the ground.
Dad.
Yeah.
Look at these. I found.
Yep, them's are nice ones, ain't they?
Mm-hmm.
Libby's got some nice ones here too. Big ones. Yeah.
Yep.
How you doing over there, bud?
I just have a bunch.
You got a bunch? You're just picking random ones?
Mm-hmm. Just trying to find the ones that can.
Yeah, it might take us a few days to get these all pulled up. We'll go back through here and pick up. Let's see what his pile he had just starting over here. Oh, it looks like he had a bunch too in the little area that he did. We still got a long ways to go. And it looks like they're pulling them out pretty easy. Nice. That one had a bunch. Well, potato harvest this year's been pretty good for us. Hasn't it, Ashton?
Mm-hmm.
It's nice having kids be able to do this for you. I can't bend down and do it. It ain't taking them long, so. That one's a seed potato right there.
That one?
No, no, they're not. That just looks rough.
Oh yeah, I found 2 of these so far.
See if I get pulled up here. Oh, that's a nice one. We're definitely going to have a tote full once we start picking these all up. That's the seed potato. You throw that out to the side. Even with the weeds, we're still getting a bunch of potatoes.
Actually, you gotta dig where you were. Look.
Look, see, you're missing some. See there, she just picked 2 of them. That's why we'll have to go through here with the middle buster with the tractor and dig it all out to get the ones you guys missed. So we got a pile there, pile right over here, pile right over here. Yeah, would that have close to a tote full? Definitely gonna have plenty of potatoes. That's probably 50 pounds right there. I can't.
Bad. I found a rotten one already. That's my hand.
Yeah, it's probably the seed potato.
Yeah.
They stink, don't they?
Oh wow, you guys don't got that.
You guys are doing it pretty quick. We'll just have to do a little tonight and then a little tomorrow, and maybe the next day and get them all out. And get this tilled up before these weeds set seed.
Here's the nice one.
Oh, there you go. That's a nice harvestable one.
Oh, that a nice one? That's near a dig.
That's a nice one, isn't it?
Start digging. Oh, watch out. Nice one. That one is. On a little one.
Yep.
And deep.
They eat too. The little ones are the good one.
Last night, the potatoes we had last night, that was good.
Yeah, they were. But hey guys, I've been on here long enough. I was just showing you guys what we was up to in the middle of here. If you like this kind of stuff, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.
Bye.